This is what the finalized laminate looks like. The 3D printed laminate is built in the following order. The first step is intraoral scan. If the space between the teeth is too narrow to separate them, you can scan in HD mode. The HD mode is advantageous for aligning acquired scan data because it can acquire more detailed data, such as sharp edge from scan object with a narrow area. However, when HD mode is used, the post-processing time of scan data is longer than when it is not used. Let's design a laminate using the Medit Design app. Launch the Medit Design app. Select the upper and lower jaw model. Use Edit mode. The duplicate function. Select tooth number 12 using the Smart Single Tooth Selection feature. Switch to a brush to retouch around the margin. Press Done one more time to create another identical mesh. As a result, you will have two replica meshes. Fill the hole. You can use the fill hole function. If it doesn't work the first time, you can do it one more time like this to fill in the holes. Prepare the outer surface of the laminate by giving the hole-filled mesh an offset of 0.1 mm. Let's call this mesh A. Select the Sculping feature. Use the Add or Morphing function to fill in the spacing and modify the appearance of the laminate. Block out the single remaining mesh in the direction of the insertion. Select the Block Out feature. Select the second duplicated mesh. Modify the insertion direction to account for the laminate insertion direction. Press Done to generate the mesh. Select the Sculpting feature. Smooth out sharp edge with the smoothing feature. Select the mesh you blocked out and give it a 0.03 mm offset. Let's call this mesh B. Subtract the scan file and the mesh B from the mesh A. And you have the inside of the laminate. Select the Boolean function. In difference mode, put the mesh A on the left and the scan file and mesh B on the right and click Run it. This is what the finalized laminate looks like. Let's show the cementing process of the finished laminate. Clean the tooth thoroughly. Exit etch, wash, and dry in that order. Treat the adhesive with the manufacturer's recommended method. Apply the floral resin to the inside of the laminate as a cement. Position the laminate. Position the positioning jig. Remove excess cement with dental floss and photopolymerize. Finish the treatment by trimming with a resin polishing instrument.